Book of Heaven, Volume 11, September 3rd, 1913. When Jesus places the soul in his will and she takes up stable dwelling in it, just like Jesus, she feels the need to give to all. While I was praying, although I don't really know how to explain myself well, this might also be a subtle pride of mine. I never think about myself and my great miseries, but pray always to repair, to console Jesus, for sinners, for everyone. However, it is not that I think about it before. No, it is enough for me to start praying, and I find myself at that point. Now, I was concerned about this, and my always lovable Jesus, on coming, told me,
"My daughter, what is this? Are you concerned about it? You must know that when I place the soul in my will and she takes up stable dwelling in my volition, since my will contains all possible and imaginable goods, the soul feels that she abounds with everything, and she places herself in my same conditions. That is, she feels the need to give rather than to receive. She feels that she needs nothing, and if she wants anything, she can take whatever she wants without asking. Since my will contains an irresistible force of wanting to give, only when she gives, then is she happy, and as she gives she becomes more thirsty for giving. And in what constraints she finds herself when she wants to give and finds no one to whom to give. My daughter, I place the soul who does my will in my same conditions. I share with her my great joys and bitternesses, and everything she does is sealed with disinterest for herself. Ah, yes, the soul who does my will is the true sun which gives light and heat to all, and feels the necessity to give this light and heat. And while it gives to all, the sun takes nothing from anyone because it is superior to everything, and there is no one on earth who can match it in light and in the great fire it contains. Ah, if creatures could see a soul who does my will, they would see her as more than a majestic sun in the act of doing good to all. And even more, they would recognize myself in this sun. So the sign that the soul has reached the point of doing my will is that she feels in the condition of giving. Have you understood?